The top three reasons for coming to Mount Allison for commerce include the first being our small class sizes and the fact that our faculty are totally committed to really providing an exceptional student experience during their stay at Mount Allison. The second is the fact that commerce students are required to take a minor in a non-commerce area that provides them with a very well-rounded education and really sets them up for success post-graduation. The last thing is that we provide a number of experiential learning opportunities which are unique and different from others offered at other universities. So at Mount Allison University, we have a dedicated Office of Experiential Learning that provides enhanced opportunities for students to explore opportunities in the co-op space, in the rail work space. We have internship opportunities, mentorship opportunities. We have the Reisman Scholarship and the internship programs. We have a number of guest speakers coming on campus, discussion groups that are set up. We have a very expanded opportunity for study abroad programs. All of these really provide students with a number of opportunities over their 4 years to undertake different experiential learning opportunities. We also have a design your own experiential learning opportunity in which students can create their own experiential learning credit in consultation with a faculty advisor, which is something very unique to Mount Allison. So in terms of tips for grade 12 students, I know that this is going to be a different experience than what is traditionally been a first year experience for university students, but rest assured the faculty and the community is really geared up to provide you with the best undergrad business education experience that you can get. In terms of other opportunities, I would really encourage students to focus on areas other than the areas that they really thought about pursuing, such as accounting or finance or marketing. We have an opportunity in a liberal arts university to explore so many other disciplines. So I would really encourage them to do that. And like I said earlier on, we require students in commerce to take a minor in a non-business area. And lastly, I would really encourage you to immerse yourself in our community, the Commerce Society, the case study team. We've got clubs and societies. So really immerse yourself and really become a part of this learning community. I think so one of the things that Mount Allison really prides itself is our strong community and the strong relationship that students form with not only their faculty but with the overall community. And these are relationships that are lifelong relationships and really contribute to the success of our students once they go into the real world. One of the things that has really changed the world is the COVID-19 situation, and the world as we know it is going to be quite different from the world of tomorrow. One of the strong elements of education at Mount Allison is that we really provide you with the core knowledge and the skills that are necessary to provide a strong foundation to whatever it is that you want to do in the world. So you can quickly pivot, take opportunities, leverage your skill sets, and really be successful in whatever endeavor that you choose in future.